Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we're going to show you how we can clear the canvas in your Microsoft Whiteboard presentations. So let us get started. So let's assume, guys, you're on a presentation on Microsoft Whiteboard like this, with full of elements like we see in that example canvas here, and you would like to get rid of all its content without deleting each one separately. You know, you can always click into these elements with your left mouse and select the trash icon here to remove them. But if you'd like to clear the entire canvas, guys, simply right click anywhere here in your canvas and select clear canvas. Confirm. And there you go. That is going to remove all elements and objects from your canvas. However, guys, as you can see, it will not restore the background theme. So if you'd like to restore that one, you will need to head over to that gear icon in the top right, select Format and Background, and select, for example, or we'll go back to the default color, which was probably white, and also select a solid grid like this, and that is going to, as you can see, technically restore your canvas to blank white. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.